Today's glimmer is an invitation to remember that nature is a gift, but we often forget to open it. The way that it welcomes us with its beauty and grace and creates a space for us to breathe. Almost like it's telling us to bring your troubles to me. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But every morning that I step foot on that field, surrounded by the big trees, I can't help but notice within 10 minutes, I'm alive. And maybe it's spying a itty bitty ladybug that's on a blade of grass and a gazillion blades of grass that I had that miracle of seeing. Or maybe it's the watercolor painting that shifts before my eyes in the skies as the clouds pass. Or maybe it's the twinkling stars that outline the evergreens, almost like they're dangling ornaments. I know that I hold deep reverence for that time in nature every day, rain or shine. So my invitation to you is to take a step outside today and focus on something living, whether it's a tree or a plant or maybe a ladybug. And remember that you are part of that beautiful creation. We're all connected. And you deserve that moment of reverence, of being a part of something bigger than any problem you might have today. And also remember, you are so loved.